Good morning. I am welcoming back you in the elective course EG 1308 Matrix Algebra through SciLab. So here, uh, till now we have seen several operations on matrices and how to edit the entries and rows and add or subtract rows, columns, etc. in the matrices. Now, I am I want to go for some commands that we already have discussed, but if you do slide modification, you are getting few different answers. Let's see. So first of all, let me call A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The simple matrix A. Let me say B, B, um, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, sorry, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So if I write A star B, you know that it will give you matrix multiplication of A with B. But if I write A dot star B, it will give me something else. What that is, see, the first entry is multiplied with the first entry, that is 1, 2, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 3 times 2, it is 6. 4 times 3, it is 12. 5 times 3, it is 15. 6 times 3, it is 18. 7 times the 4 is 28. 8 times 4, 32. And 9 times 4, 36. So this command is used to get the pointwise multiplication, and the previous command was used to find out the matrix multiplication. Okay. Similarly, you are having the command for finding an inverse of the matrix. For example, here this matrix A is not invertible because its determinant is 0. But see, if I check the determinant of A, for that command is dt of A, and it is giving me approximately something 6.661 d power minus 16, means it is approximately 0. D power minus 16 is 10 raised to minus 16. Okay. So you know in the scientific form that it is approximately 0 and hence it is not invertible. This software is giving you the approximate answer, not the exact one. That's why we are getting not exactly 0. If I find the determinant of B, what the answer is, it is clearly 0. So you know that this matrix is not invertible. None of them. So let me write some matrix which is invertible. So let me write A, B, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Let's check what is the determinant of A. And it is 2. So it is invertible. You know that. So you know one command to find the inverse is A power minus 1. The other command to find the inverse is inv of A, and that will give you the same inverse of the given matrix A. Okay, so now you know that matrix A is invertible. B is not, already what we have defined, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. But you can perform the operation B by A because A is invertible, and that will give you this matrix, that is A B times A inverse. If you perform this way, so B times inverse of A, that also will give you the same answer, but here you can see that here you are having minus 1.110 d power minus 16, but you know that it is approximately 0. So here you are getting value 0, but not exactly, and here you are getting the exact value 0, but you know that these two entries are roughly same. Okay, so this is to obtain matrix B times inverse of A. Now if I perform this operation B dot by A, it will give you something else. What this is giving you, let me recall B and A, sorry, not Y this way, let me recall A this way. A is this, B is this, and B by A I am having this. So how it is evaluated? So B, that is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is 2. Here B is 2, here entry is 2, so 2 by 2 it is 1. Here entry is 2, here entry is 3, so 2 by 3 it is 0.666 approximately. 3 by 2, so it is 1.5. 3 by 3 it is 1, and 3 by 4, so it is approximately 0.73, 75. 4 by 1 it is 4, 2, 4 by 2 it is 2, and 4 by 1 answer is 4. So that is the point-wise division and point-wise multiplication of your matrices. Okay, so these are the new commands that you come to know. Also, you may require the size of the matrix somewhere. So for that, command is size A. Size A is giving you a size of given inserted matrix. So, for example, let me define C be right now A, then I am adding few rows in this. So you know how to introduce that. C of say fourth to sixth columns are being from B. Sorry, fourth to sixth rows are being from B. Okay, so this is now new matrix C. Um, then if I check the size of C, it will give you me 6 by 3 matrix. Okay, so this is the way to find this size, inverse, pointwise multiplication, regular multiplication, pointwise addition, division, and regular division of the matrices. Do the practice of whatever I have given you in this session at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.